When Sheila G is buying her weekly groceries, she has a budget in mind and she remains within her budget. She gives the same advice to her husband Ravi each time he is trying to buy a stock.
Ravi, don't buy more stock than you need and keep some cash for tomorrow.
Just like buying groceries, determining your budget is crucial in trading. It's about finding the balance between quantity and risk. When you buy excessive groceries, you risk wastage. On the other hand, if you don't buy enough, you may miss out on satisfying your needs. Similarly, in the stock market, buying too many shares may expose you to unnecessary risk. And buying too few may limit your potential gains. By carefully calculating the purchasing budget, you can strike the right balance. It's about finding the right spot that aligns with your risk tolerance and investment goals. So, the next time you trade in the Indian stock market and you know what to buy but are confused about how much cash to save for future purchases, it's time to use the Dozen Diamonds app. The app performs these calculations in real time every time you trade. Master the art of stressless trading and make every trade count. Use the Dozen Diamonds app for healthy and happy investing.